Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are so excited because we have a really big box of Zaket and Plover.
Welcome lovelies, here we are. Color, and more color.
Yes.
Right?
There's lots to unveil.
Lots to unveil and lots of like wow.
Yeah.
This is a wow box.
It is a wow box.
And how wow is Charlie with his new haircut. And he's so happy, he doesn't look it, but he's a different dog. He's running up the stairs instead of going one at a time. And he's
like a little puppy again.
Yeah, he feels like a little puppy. And now everybody will see that he is not as
gained
chunky as
20
he
pounds.
looks. He lost 20 pounds of fur.
What a cutie,
Anyway,
eh?
what a cutie, yeah.
Look at you. You did your video?
Yeah.
Yeah, with your mesh tops.
I know.
Love.
Well, you know.
You do wear them all the time.
Every day
Yeah.
I wear them. And
Yeah.
it's like just my little
I
security
love it peeking out
blanket.
here.
It's
It's
such
so
a cute
cool
look,
and
you know?
elegant. Yeah.
And a little elegant and a little skin, but you know, nothing.
Yeah.
It's just this too, right?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
It's so beautiful. So maybe we should make them
Oh
again.
my God, I can't wait. I need refreshers.
I'm gonna look today and see what colors
for
are
some
available.
fabrics, yeah. Speaking about
I know.
a little skin showing.
I know.
This little saucy skirt.
Saucy skirt. I love it. And I've totally, dressed it down with the jean jacket,
Yeah.
which is super cool.
A really cool
and
look.
this zebra scarf, which I have myself. It's my favorite scarf,
Yeah, you wear it
ladies.
a
I wear it
lot.
all the time. And I feel like it picks up this with the white jacket. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
And then my beautiful,
Oh my.
I know, it's my favorite.
Oh, Tessa, they're so adorable.
I have earrings from Joanna Lovett, and then I have Ayala Bar.
Right, yeah.
And it's just, they're so dainty and beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
You can wear them every day. Yeah, check out online, ladies, because we have some new pieces in and we've restocked a few beauties. So
I'm excited.
it's always we should do a little video and
should.
talk more in detail because it's such a beautiful line.
Oh, it's a treasure trove.
It is.
Really,
They're treasure
know.
pieces. All right, and you have your little cuties on?
I love these.
I know, they look amazing.
Textured, little above the ankle. I love this shirt, right?
Yeah.
This is an amazing shirt.
It is. I love the
cuffs.
the cuffs. Beautiful.
Oh, and the fabric.
There's a little pleat
you know?
there.
Yeah. The
I love
fabric
it.
is beautiful.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Okay.
All right,
Well,
so
let's see.
ladies, this might be a little long video because I know there's a lot to unbox here.
Make sure you have a big coffee.
The box is full.
A big coffee.
And we'll do some style videos too. Oh my goodness. Okay, ready? This is one of the new prints for the season. I think it's very classy and beautiful. Very
gorgeous.
summery, hey?
It's
Isn't it gorgeous?
gorgeous.
Very
Yeah,
classy.
yeah.
This is a new style dress, ladies. I know our other dress last year sold out in that first week we had them up, but this one's a little bit different. It's so beautiful. Fall's just as beautiful.
Little
And
tears.
Yeah.
Pockets.
yeah.
Nice little cap sleeve.
Yeah, gorgeous color, hey?
Gorgeous.
Beautiful, beautiful
Yeah.
lines, silhouettes.
Yeah.
Nice little cap sleeve. And we have it in another print as well,
Oh,
which I
wow.
love. Imagine this on the beach of
Oh
Mexico.
my gosh.
This is
all
going to be beautiful
flowy
for travel,
and,
ladies.
yeah,
So
all free.
nice and light.
Cruise,
Cruise.
dinner, bathing suit.
Yeah,
Really.
endless.
Everywhere.
Yeah,
Endless.
Yeah, and you could wear a long tank under if you liked, just to have like almost like a slip cover. But,
Yeah.
And here is another style dress,
Oh my.
Cute,
yeah.
eh?
Oh God, I love this stuff.
which can be a duster as well.
Yeah, this is a drawstring and you can
Drawstring.
cinch it. Oh
Have
my
a little bit of-
goodness.
yeah,
oh,
just
I
tie it
love
on the edges.
And it's got slits. Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Pockets. You know what? I find that so amazing that all pieces have pockets.
Yeah, it's
All
so,
these
so
long pieces.
important.
It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't do it without this pattern as well, because I find some women will be the one pattern and some will be the other.
Yeah, well, this is the softer one, right?
Yeah.
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 Very nice.
Like that would
very-
be stunning on you, Mom.
Yeah, that would
Look
be
at how
my
beautiful-
pattern.
Yeah.
And this would
It's-
be your pattern.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
no,
so
true.
classy.
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous colors in there. And then we couldn't do without the little shirt that
Yeah.
is such a classic
Yeah. Beautiful.
in both these prints.
Beautiful.
Nice boxy fit.
Oh, imagine this with a pair of white linen pants.
Oh my God, yeah, gorgeous. You could unbutton it as well, ladies, with a little tank under.
Yeah,
Gorgeous.
as a little jacket, right?
This is a big collection. We're pretty excited about this.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Look at
And
with
good.
your up pants.
This is a small. Yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Look at this with black. This is a small, so it's really nicely oversized,
nice and
right?
roomy, and it
Yeah.
should be because
And
with the fabric, it's just gonna fall.
It's just
This fabric
flowing.
feels amazing, ladies. It's gonna wash wonderful.
Oh, look,
Travel
it's got
well.
slits.
Slits
Yeah.
on the side.
Oh, it's
And,
yeah, it's a beautiful fabric. It's cotton, viscose, and a little bit of nylon to keep
10%.
it together, right?
Yeah.
Come
So,
on.
all right. I'm like, what's next? We're getting into the sweaters. Oh my God, scrumptious. This
Oh
feels
my.
so soft.
Oh my.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Look the detail here.
I know.
That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. This
I
could
know.
go with this pattern beautifully.
Absolutely.
Look at it.
Yeah. So I will.
Oh, and this fabric, it feels, I have to check.
I have to show you now.
Tessa, this is silk and cotton.
Silk and cotton.
And a bit of nylon.
I know. It
Oh,
feels
it feels
amazing.
like $1 million.
And look at.
Oh,
Look at that,
yes,
ladies.
Yes.
Isn't that gorgeous? That's a
Sorry,
beauty.
Charlie.
You know, you got your print
Oh,
on the
my.
bottom. It's loud and beautiful, and then you have the top is just classic and plain.
And this is, it's very fine. Like it's not a thick fabric, so it's definitely a high summer pant, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But look at the style. It's got a little fake
foot,
fly. And then the slit
Front, flat
pockets,
front.
flat front,
And then
elastic
elastic
band,
back,
nice
yeah.
white.
Thick,
And then this here.
which you love. Oh yeah, look at the detail.
Look at the tape. Beautiful
oh, I
buttons.
forgot about those. Gorgeous.
Oh man, I
And they're
absolutely
functional,
love
too, so
this.
you can
I
have them-
love it, Tessa. I love it.
I
You've
know.
outdid
It
yourself.
screams cruise resort, high
Totally,
summer.
totally.
But look at, I just wanted to point out these little cuties that you detailed. It's all the colors in the pants.
Exactly.
So, you know, it's a beautiful match. If
Yeah.
you don't want this sweater, there's another piece that I bought to match, and it's a little tee. It's the cutest little tee. I feel like this belongs in everybody's wardrobe.
Oh
We got
my
a few
God!
colors in
Look at that, and look at the detail here. Oh, I can't wait to style
I
this.
know.
Look at this.
The crunch,
So it
which
will
is
be
very
a little
flattering.
bit of
Gathered.
a gorgeous little cap sleeve.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited.
A cotton tee with the open.
And then this detail here with the open, unfinished fabrics. here.
Yeah. So exciting.
And this is 100% cotton.
Yeah, beautiful fabric, gorgeous. I know, I love.
You did
Oh,
well.
thank you.
Yeah, you
I
did
think
really
you were
well.
going to be a little afraid about all this. the
I was a
prints,
little
but-
worried. It was all of a sudden.
But it comes together
But
so
yeah,
beautifully.
no, you bought this with a lot of thought in mind, for sure.
And then again, the pants.
In the different fabric.
Yeah,
right?
which can also go with the little button-down shirt.
Of course.
You know, in that same
As a
pattern.
whole outfit. And the shirt open with a t-shirt.
Look
oh
at, and
my.
then we have a t-shirt to match.
Oh, Tessa, look at this.
And
oh,
with the shirt, I think it's going to be great.
I
I can't wait to style it up.
yeah, I can't wait either.
I
It's
know.
gorgeous.
These are real treasure pieces.
Like, look at this, Tessa, the pant with the t-shirt,
Yeah.
and then the shirt open.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it'll be beautiful.
You'll be killing it on your cruise, lovely. Killing it.
You will be. And then look, and then in the evening or when it's a little chillier.
They're all gonna say, wait until she comes above board. And
What is
is
she
she wearing today? And then there you come. Ba-boom. Oh,
and look again, look, it's got the green and the
Yeah.
mustard that are in the pants.
And this, you know, I love this too.
I
right?
know. And
It's
these are
just
nice
that
and
little
light. The feel
Yeah,
of this
it's
is
lovely.
gorgeous.
It's
such a
beautiful.
nice summer sweater.
Gorgeous.
Weight. So here we are in navy, the little tee.
Navy, always beautiful.
like
the
those
navy
are-
will go with the other print, I think.
Well, I actually
just-
I bought 3 other colors, navy, black, and white, just as basic.
It's just a great basic
They're a
tee.
really nice price point. They're
Yeah.
high quality.
Yeah,
Cute.
great basic
Sorry,
tee.
Charlie. So cute with the sides, the ruche
Yeah,
side. I can't wait to model this
Yeah.
for you ladies because you're gonna love it. So
Oh,
again,
yeah.
if you want, you know,
Like
then
this
black
too,
could
right?
go
With
with the
black.
pants.
Yeah, if you don't want to.
It's endless.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how artsy it looks now.
So you can pick the white, the black, or the peachy coral color.
Salmon, yeah.
So I have to dig in here because I want to show you one of my favorite
Man,
pieces.
this is a box
This is-
of
It is denim, which we love.
Oh
denim, but
my!
look at
I have
this
to
is-
get the white T-shirt out.
It's a
Look
skirt.
at that!
Mom, look at And it's got slits on the side.
Tessa.
Nice light denim. Look how cute the back is.
Oh my.
Pockets.
Oh, I love
can't
it.
wait to have this on.
Well, that's your styling. Look,
Look at that.
gorgeous.
Gorgeous,
Or
eh?
any of these colors,
And then,
right?
yeah. And then for you to style, some pants. 'Cause
Oh
you
my
look so
god.
good in
Oh
pants.
my god. Oh my god. I love
What
it.
a nice lightweight denim.
What
though,
a
eh?
great design. And what a great way.
And look,
Oh my goodness.
I know, cute, eh?
Oh, I love it. Love.
I know, it's so exciting.
Yeah. More?
Oh my goodness, yes. This is one of my favorite fitting sweaters. On the
Really?
hanger, when I was doing the buy,
Yeah.
I thought no, and she said, you know what, try it on.
Try it on.
It
And
is so gorgeous on.
you're kidding.
It's got the
Raglan sleeve.
yeah, but it's like see-through.
Yeah.
It's got the crochet knit, so you can have
Yeah.
a little white tank under,
Yeah.
a little black tank
Yeah.
under.
But it's a little fitted. I like that.
It is. It comes in a
not
little
an,
bit, and the sleeves are a little bit. They're beautiful. It's. So, I can't wait to
The
try it on.
sleeves hit you where here probably,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
And
Oh,
gorgeous with the
it
denim.
feels like a cotton. Yeah, 100% cotton.
With the denim pants or the
Oh,
skirt.
navy.
And our favorite color for the season,
Oh, navy with white. Even with
navy. Look
white
at navy
linen
and
pants.
white. Yeah, look at with my jean jacket.
Jeez, Tessa.
I know.
Jeez, you really,
I know.
you are
Stop.
honest.
Stop.
God,
No,
I
it's the
am
line.
so
I just
impressed.
think we're so excited that we have these amazing lines with high
Yeah.
quality fabrics.
Yeah.
And then it creates these outfits, you know?
Yeah, and it's so, mix match.
Mix match. But you know, if you don't want the pants, you pick a sweater and you wear it with your existing pants if you have any
Exactly.
of the linen grisas or the linen
all
cut
this
loose,
with our
any of
grisa
those.
pants.
Yeah, just a basic beautiful pant.
Totally. What more?
Even our pencil skirt could go
Oh.
really well with. So the cutest ever, ladies, polka dots. How can we say no to
Oh
polka
my
dots?
God, you just want to bite into
How
that.
sweet
That
is
is
that?
melon, all melon colors.
And look at how cool they do, eh, with the stripe.
Yeah, the designers are, and
Yeah.
I love the raglan sleeve too. I
Yeah.
love a raglan sleeve.
And that's the thing. Like, I can't wait to put these on. Or they have beautiful pictures. We'll show you their pictures.
Oh, look at this.
But how great is that?
Oh my God, this is such a showstopper.
I know. And you don't see sweaters like this. I've seen other collections trying to, but it's the quality.
Look
and
at this, Tessa, with my black pants here.
Yeah, gorgeous. Look at this lime chartreuse.
Then you pick this
fuchsia.
up with a lime Siska bead.
Oh my gosh. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun styling this.
We have to
Like look at your bead here, your polka dot fuchsia black.
I know,
It'd be amazing with that.
I
And
know.
your bracelet.
I know.
Look at, you're all set.
Look at this.
All right, ladies, here's another style sweater. It's so hard to pick. They have so many to choose
Yeah,
from.
yeah.
But I tried to pick the cream of the crop.
Yeah, oh God, this is gorgeous. A
So
nice
pretty
little
on.
V-neck, you know? Beautiful. Look at
Look
the
at
back.
the back. I know.
Stunning.
Little slit on the side.
Stunning. This is dangerous for Colleen. She has.
Colleen, I think
She
every
told me
collection.
she's got 6 of them, I think. Yeah,
They're
and
gorgeous.
it suits her.
It suits her.
Yeah.
I look
Oh,
at this
wow.
color. This is so beautiful. Hey,
It's
That's
so
you.
happy. This is me.
you should style this.
Yeah, I
in.
will.
Imagine with a pair of the wide-legged
Yeah.
jeans that just came in. How cool would you look? And they had 3 colorways, and of course I bought all
of
3
course.
because I love this sweater.
Oh, this is beautiful.
I
too.
know,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
So it just depends on your color palette what you like,
Of
but
course.
there's almost something for everyone. And then here's another style,
Oh.
a little simpler, but look at how beautiful.
I
Again,
like that. That
you
is
could
to go
also,
with the pants.
yeah, you could also wear that with the pants.
Oh yeah, this is. I love
A
these
nice
pastels.
little V. Yeah.
You know, lovelies. I talk about it often that the pastel colors for us who are a little bit up in age, this is so lovely on your skin. The
Yeah,
soft colors.
soft.
You know, my friend Yanni always.
Yeah, I was
wears
gonna
them.
say Yanni would look amazing in
She-
both these colors.
Exactly. Yeah.
But the weight of the sweater, like once you feel it, it just feels amazing on the hand.
yeah, and what is nice, it doesn't cling to your body. It doesn't
Yeah.
show every ripple, right?
Yeah.
And then I love
I know,
this.
the
You know,
details,
these
yeah.
tiny little details that
Yeah.
you pick up,
I
right?
know. So beautiful.
Wow.
All right. One more style sweater. This is, again, this on the hanger. I was like, no. And she was like, no, trust me,
Put it
try
on.
it on.
Oh, yeah.
It's
But
like
I know
this-
what you mean. I look at this and I think,
yeah,
it's
you're like,
beautiful.
yeah, it's nice, but the others, you know, trump it. But no,
Yeah.
on, it was almost one of my favorite fitting sweaters.
Really?
Yeah, it
Oh,
was
that's
gorgeous.
wonderful.
And I love this detail too. Again, it's subtle, right?
Yeah,
And this is like
yeah.
a deep navy with the white cream.
Yeah.
And then, of course, I had to get it in all 3 colors because I thought every single color combo was absolutely
this is
beautiful.
cute too. Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
And this is so subtle. It's bright but subtle. And when you
know.
have it on, it really is. Look at how cute.
Yeah, that's really cute.
So cute. And then this beautiful classic blue with this line.
With the lime.
Yeah, gorgeous.
So this is silk and cotton again.
Yeah,
It
it
feels-
feels so good. So there is our drop with the Zaket and Plover in the house.
Wow, this makes me happy, you know?
It makes me happy too.
Really?
But just feeling the sweaters, like I can't say enough about
No.
how soft they are.
How many years have we carried Zaket and Plover now? Is it 3 years?
Well,
4?
yeah, since we've been here at this location.
Yeah. So, yeah, almost 4 years. And we've done so well with it. And every season they blow it out of the park.
They do.
They really do.
It's really nice.
Okay.
All right, so, whew,
Woo!
what do we gotta style these now. Like half the work isn't done. But watch out, ladies, and I'm really gonna get on this. I'm gonna
Please
look
do.
today. I'm gonna go in
Please
my
do.
office and see what swatches are out
Yeah.
there. And
Like I said in the
some-
video, every time we make a mesh top, I grab one
yeah.
because
And let us know if you know black or white or what your preference is. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'd love to know your comments on that.
exactly.
And yeah, so watch out tomorrow. We're gonna style these up the next few days. It'll be so much fun. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And as always, keep on smiling.